So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove the gear knob for KUGA 2020 and onwards. So basically it's quite an easy job. You just take your and the top part you turn on the left side, so all the way until it's completely loose. It does has a lot of turns, so but still, as you can see, so for a 44,000 kilometers car, not too shabby. Could been a little bit better, but yeah. So as you can see over here, it's quite a long one. So, and this plastic, if you need to remove that as well, so start somewhere around here. Use the plastic tools. So this is one here spot and one is over here, but that one that is holding it somewhere around here, so I will show you. And that's for the down two, and upper two are somewhere around here, I believe. So basically what you need to do is push it somewhere around here so you can take it out. So yeah, maybe best way is over here, somewhere around here. As you can see, this side is already out, so this one, now we can take that one as well. You need to move that full out, and now we have, yeah, don't lose this, you're gonna need it. Now we have just two plugs of electricity. So basically I believe both sides are from inside, so you just click it and pull it. For you it's gonna be easier with two hands. For me it's always a little bit of problem. So you click it here and it goes out. Same goes on the other side. It's not that hard, but still not that easy. So you can see over here, you need to click in and take it out. So the clips that we are removing is this one and this one over here, and on downside is this over here and this over here. So, and this one just clicks in. So I hope that will help you. So when you're putting it all together back, removing it, if you want to change or anything, just click there, click it over here. Don't forget to put this bad boy back inside, and you take your gear knob and turn it to the right all the way. It does take a little time, and once it's fully, you just need to center it, so something like this. So yeah, as you can see, so, and everything works. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. I will make more videos on the KUGA. It's a fresh arrival. So yeah, thank you and see you next one. So till next one, see you.